music. Boom. Okay, here it is. Boom. Brand new Hellcat long block. Look at that thing. Wow. It is a beauty. Brand spanking new. Look at that. Bam. Bam. Mopar, baby. This is it. This is how they come from the factory. Boom. Stamped. Stamped and ready to go. So for those of you who have been wondering, this is where it has been. It's waiting for its heart transplant, looking like it's been through Desert Storm over there. And the heart is here. We're gonna get this bad boy installed, up and running. That's what I try to tell everybody out there. Like, this right here is a $10,000 long block. It's so worth it. It is so worth it just to spend the extra freaking $4,000 on a warranty, because you never know. You never know when you're gonna need that warranty, and in this case, it was needed. Mopar, baby. Always get the warranty, pay extra. This thing, this is a $10,000 long block, brand new from the dealership, and I paid $4,000 for the extended warranty. Well, it was worth it. Look at this thing. It looks like it's been through Desert Storm. She was worth it. It was needed. Look at that thing. We are ready. So yeah, that'll be this is up and coming. They're gonna be kicking ass over here at Overkill. I mean, you can see they got a heavy load ahead of them. Trackhawk like everywhere. Evos, Trackhawks, Hellcats. They're working hard. Look at that. But yeah, this thing's gonna get installed. And like I was saying, it is so worth it just to spend that extra coin for a warranty. And it'll pay off in the long run for sure. Especially with these high-end cars like the Hellcat. Just buying the Hellcat was expensive in itself. It's already had a replacement of the driveline before. That was freaking what, $2,500 to replace the driveline. Warranty covered that. Now this thing, look, 10 grand for an engine. Warranty covered that. Well, aftermarket warranty. It didn't even, the factory warranty's expired. So here we go, brand new Hellcat long block. Let's we're gonna take care of this with some, put some Amsol oil, some way better protecting oil in this car, and baby it for the first 1,000 miles because it's a brand new engine, and then freaking, yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, oh man, look at that thing. Look at that bad boy. Wow. Whew. Brand spanking new. This is a beauty. Look at that. Wow. Brand new Hellcat long block. Wow. There it is. That's where the Hellcat's been. It's been waiting for its new heart transplant, so there it is over there. Poor baby. Just sitting there waiting. And finally it is here. Wow, this is, look at them. I love seeing them brand new stamped numbers. Wow. That is brand spanking new.